Hello class 7, good morning. In our last class, we have discussed about the symptoms of computer virus and types of viruses. So there are two categories of computer viruses. First one, see this one, it is called general infectors, and second one is called system infectors. In general infectors, the viruses are worm virus, Trojan virus and bomb virus. So these are called general infectors. Then second types of viruses are, the second categories of virus are system infectors. These are boot sector virus, program virus, macro virus and stealth virus. Okay, so there are two categories of virus, which are general infectors and system infectors. In general infectors, worm virus, Trojan virus and bomb virus, and in system infectors, boot sector virus, program virus, macro virus and stealth virus. So let us discuss today the first one, that is a general infectors. The first virus is worm virus. Now what is worm virus? These viruses are programs which don't affect the functioning of the system. Functioning of the system means computer will function proper way. There is no problem with the hardware part of the computer. Alright, so system will work, function. Once these viruses enter, they attack the security zone of a computer system. So when they get in our computer, they attack the security part of the computer system. They just keep on replicating themselves in the disk. In the hard disk, they keep on increasing in number. Replicating themselves means they keep on increasing in number. They also spread through email while using the internet. Like suppose you are using the net in your computer, you receive a spam mail or unwanted mail of which you do not know the source. If you open that mail and if it has got the virus connected, then virus will be transferred to your computer and computer will become virus infected. So they use the address book of the system to send themselves through emails. They use the computer's address books and send the mail to others. Examples of this type of viruses are Swan scalper. These are the two types of computer worm virus. Which virus? Worm virus. Okay. So what is worm virus? Worm viruses are programs which don't affect the functioning of a system. Once these viruses enter, they attack the security zone part of a computer and they keep on replicating, means increasing in number in the disk and spread through the email. When you open the email in our computer using internet, and they use the address book of the system to send them to others. Examples, Swan and scalper virus. Second virus is Trojan virus. Very popularly it is known as Trojan horses. These viruses are known as Trojan horses. They are computer programs but destructive in nature. So they are simply computer program only. But what type of programs they are? Destructive in nature. They move around the valid programs and get executed with a flashy opening screen. They come on the screen. For example, they attach to the word processor. Now what is word processor? MS Word, where you create the documents, type the letter. Okay, so that is the word processor, like MS Word. So they attach to the word processor like MS Word without the user's knowledge, without our knowledge, and execute whenever the document is opened. And whenever you open any document in MS Word, the virus program will execute. They usually get into the system through email attachments with fascinating names. So they are attached to the computer with the email attachment. Suppose we get any mail, there is some attachment, any documents or any photos with the email. So they get attached with the they get attached with the email attachment with some fancy name. Once you open the email, they become active in the background and slowly start deleting or corrupting the files inside the system. So whenever you open that email, open the attachments, this program becomes very active in the computer and starts deleting or corrupting the files in our computer. Examples of Trojan horses are like backdoor nuker. These are the examples of Trojan horses. Last and third general infector is bomb virus. Now what is bomb virus? As the name suggests, the explosion takes place in the form of a sudden disaster inside the system. Like the explosion of a bomb takes place. Okay, the same way this virus also becomes active in our computer, suddenly only. These viruses remain inactive for a long time and wait for a specific data or a specific event for the disaster. Okay, so they remain silent in our computer, not active, inactive for a long time, for date or year to be matched, for date to be matched. For example, the virus Friday 13 waits for the day. Day means day must be Friday and date must be 13. If both the things matched, then this virus becomes very active. Okay, and the date Friday 13, and you will notice that all the files have been deleted. So in that particular date, when the day is Friday and date is 13, both will match, then virus will suddenly become very active and it starts deleting all the files from the system. There are many bomb viruses like Jerusalem B, Saturday the 14th, Happy Birthday 30, Tuesday the 13th. Like if the day is Saturday and date is 14, okay, Tuesday the 13th, day is Tuesday and date is 13, both will match in the system's calendar. Then what happens? This virus becomes active. So today class we have discussed only the general infectors. There are three general infectors: worm virus, Trojan virus, bomb virus. Once again, let us recapitulate. Worm viruses are the programs which don't affect the functioning of a system. Once these viruses enter in our computer, they attack the security zone. They keep on replicating, means increasing in number in the disk, and spread through the email when you use the internet. And they use our email's address books to send the mail with the virus to others. Examples are Swan and Sculptor. Second is Trojan. These are also known as Trojan horses. They are the programs only but destructive in nature. Okay, they attach to the word processor like MS Word without our knowledge and execute whenever the document is open. They get into the system through the email attachment with the fancy names. Once you open the email, they become the active and slowly starts deleting or corrupting the files. And the third one is bomb virus. This bomb virus explodes like a bomb only. Explosion takes place. Okay, but how it happens? The virus must match with the system's date and time. The viruses remain inactive for the long time and wait for a specific data or a specific event for the disaster. Like the virus Friday 13, if the day is Friday, date is 13, the virus becomes very active and deletes all the file. Some other bomb viruses are Jerusalem B, Saturday the 14th, Happy Birthday 30, Tuesday the 13th. So today we have completed the general infectors of viruses. Thank you.